Hey guys, let's make a black cake slash fruit cake for this Christmas. This is the star of any table in Trinidad. So this one is going to be super easy to put together, and I promise you it will be a definite hit. Let's start by creaming our butter and our sugar. I'm using a light brown sugar here. We're going to cream until it's light and fluffy. I'm using 1.5 cups of butter to half a cup of sugar. Yes, a very little bit amount of sugar because I'm adding in some strawberry jam. I'm going to add in that strawberry jam and mix it in. And you can also omit the sugar from this recipe if you want to and just use the strawberry jam. Once that is combined, go in with 4 eggs, one at a time until mixed in. Of course, I'm not showing you the 4 eggs going in because I'm just trying to save time for the purpose of the recipe. So once the 4 eggs go in, add in your vanilla essence, and I'm going to be using 6 cups of pureed fruit. And if you want to see how to do the pureed fruit, I'm going to leave the link for that in the description box. I like blending my fruit really smooth. You can do it chunky if you like. In goes browning. We'll start with half of this bottle, and if I need more I can always add and adjust. Now you want to mix everything to combine the wet ingredients. Mix, mix, mix. It smells so good in here. Very fruity. Now once it comes together like this, we're going to add in our dry ingredients. I'm using all-purpose flour packed into the cup. You don't want to spoon it, you want to make sure it's really packed in there. And I'm doing 2.5 cups of flour to half a teaspoon of cake spice. If you can't find cake spice, you could use cinnamon, clove, allspice. In goes baking powder. And I'm using 2 teaspoons of baking powder here for this recipe, and it's a double active baking powder. As usual, all of your ingredients and measurements will be listed in the description box of this video. You want to mix really well. It is a lot. This gives us 2 cakes. So if you want to make 1 cake, you'll just do half of this recipe. But I'm making a cake today for my friend Carissa, so hence the reason why I'm making 2 cakes. Now once it's mixed in, I'm going to switch to a spatula and just give it a mix, fold it in, and make sure there are no dry flour lumps anywhere in this batter. And at this point, if you think the color is not where you want it to be, you can add some more of that browning and then pour it into your greased and floured cake pan. And I also lined the bottom of my cake pan. Now just spread that out evenly on the top, and then this goes into your oven to bake at 325 degrees for 1 hour and 15 minutes, or until it starts to pull away from the side of the pan. And when you use a toothpick and you check it, it comes out clean. These smell so decadent, and what I like to do as soon as they come out of the oven is douse them with some spiced rum. I like using a Captain Morgan spice rum. If you have your favorite brand of spice rum, you can use that, or you can use whatever rum you like. And it absorbs really quickly, and you can soak this every day, or as much or as little as you like, to be honest. And then once it's ready to serve, you just cut it up and serve it, and I promise you it's going to be one of the best cakes you will ever make. Absolutely decadent and divine. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Remember to leave me your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Wishing you and your family happy holidays, Merry Christmas, Happy New Year. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye everyone.